Oh. Sorry. Sorry is not enough. You know what? Let me show you something. Sit down. Let this be a lesson.
Hi, my name's Erwin Kaczynski, and if you're watching this video, you have somebody that chews with their mouth open. I'm here to solve that problem for you. You see this gentleman right here? This is what happens when you chew with your mouth open. Hey kids, this is also what happens when you chew with your mouth open. Don't chew with your mouth open!
So what'd you learn?
I'm never gonna chew with my mouth open again.